What kind of food is Jake gonna make today? Maybe a pie, maybe a cake. And now it's time for Cooking with Jake.
What the f is up, guys? It's Jake with another episode of Cooking with Jake. Today, we're gonna be making a pie. Only one problem is, I don't know how to make a pie. So, naturally, I'm gonna do this without instructions, without ingredients. Well, no, that's not. Without knowing any measurements. Let's get started. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. We have a mic this time, guys. It's an official setup here at Cooking with Jake, the Davis house. Let's bake. Okay guys, we need a few ingredients, so we're gonna head to No Frills and get some. As always, let's get some ingredients. That was easy. Just kidding. Why doesn't lard come with instructions?
How to lard.
For our favorite segment, Jake eats raw things. Now, I don't know if this is healthy. It doesn't even taste like anything. Since that was utterly disappointing, Evan finally pointed out this pineapple, so I'm gonna take a bite out of it. I think I just broke my jaw. So obviously, the word pineapple has pie in it, so it belongs in a pie. Do I even need to say that? Like.
Hello?
Hi there, Nana. It's Evan. Have you seen our show, Cooking with Jake?
Yes?
Oh God. Okay.
There's some measuring spoons if you want.
If you told us what
The proper way
to make it is.
I'm gonna start with the flour. Gonna do a couple cups. That sounds right. No, I'm not using 4 cups.
Your flour
That's 2 cups.
and your shortening
Gonna do a little more.
Shortening?
Yep.
Yep.
and water.
Mm-hmm. That's almost 3 cups. That's 2 2/3. You know what? We're winging it. So you always start by mixing the dry ingredients. Salt. That sounds good. Okay. Sugar, obviously. Pie is sweet. I've gained some fat. So, I was gonna use 4 cups, but I cut that in half. This is a pound, so I'm gonna cut that in half. Pie is just it's a logic, it's not an art, no matter what your grandma says.
Your apples with no sugar.
Martha Stewart, if you're watching, at me. Jacob.hunter_, I think that's my Instagram. Follow it up. This looks like a lot of lard. Like, a lot of lard. My cooking senses are tingling. You know what? This doesn't feel wrong. It's okay, it's looking flaky. That's what we want. Guys, this is gonna be a bomb-ass pie. Yes, Evan! Yes! I'm doing it. I'm doing it, guys. Sanity is key. Just ask Jon Snow.
Did you say sanity?
I'm sick, by the way, if I haven't already mentioned that. Let's do this. This is what I'm positive about, okay? Here's what we're doing. We're taking a tablespoon. We're doing 1 tablespoon at a time. Yeah, baby! I know I'm right about that. Does that mean I'm Gordon Ramsay? Yes. Okay, To be honest, I didn't think I'd get this far. So I'm kind of lost now. I think I need to kneading. Y'all, we got crust. But it's still coming back. Unlike my dad. I'm just kidding. Hi, Dad. If you remember from last time, nobody likes a thick middle. I know what to do. I know what to do. It's a freaking pie, yo! Oh my gosh, dude. Look at these crimps. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna make the filling. We're doing a blueberry pie today. Yeah, I'm just gonna put blueberries in a pie. In a bowl, or a cup in this case.
Oh wow.
We on Cooking with Jake are very careful about sanitation. God damn it, I can't get this. Change of plans, we're gonna make shapes and put it on top. 3.14, yeah. 350 degrees. 450 degrees. Oh dear God, it's not even close to enough. Oh, it's not nothing. Hold on to your panties. In the oven. Bang! Well, you only see this once in a blue spoon. Alright guys, just before I check this pie, no matter how it turns out, I just want everyone to know that I'm the best cook in the world. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's literally perfect. Good, well, the apples don't look good. Well, it looks kind of sketchy. The apples are a little dehydrated. I freaking did it. I did it. Yes! Yeah! Well, here it is, guys. The piece de resistance. The Ark of the Covenant. The Holy Grail. The Jake's Cooking Show pie. We're gonna do a nice little cross section here. The crust is flaky, yet dense. Thanks guys for tuning into this video of Cooking with Jake. Figured out that I'm really good at making crust, but the filling was alright. This wasn't enough. Tune in next time. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but hey. That's Cooking with Jake.
What's it called?
Soggy pie. You know what? Maybe I can recover. Maybe.
Sorry, your idea is a pizza pocket?
Pizza pocket.
Pizza.
Pizza pocket. Like a pizza pocket, but pie. Yeah. Yep. Change of plans. Change of plans.